Hello, my dear ladies. Hello, my dear gentlemen. What's going on in the world now? Of course, the bombastic wedding of Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez in Venice. Venice is a dream, the most beautiful setting for a wedding. Just right for the best day of your life. A day on which you swear before God to live together for better or for worse, until death do us part. But is a wedding with this oath before God still interesting today? When I think about the usual divorces, I doubt their serious intentions. I'm happy for them both and don't want to hope this is just for good PR. And then the many prominent guests chosen, all so unrealistically perfect. Are they really? To stay with a happy bride, I looked at some photos of her. She's not perfect, and she also has cellulite. Jeff Bezos will be her third husband, and there are lots of children too. She's no longer young and has had several cosmetic surgeries. Many of her photos are faked with Photoshop and retouched. And true love, the real feeling, hopefully it isn't also faked and retouched by his immense wealth. But the media will follow everything very closely and report on the two of them. For me, our world has become a total illusion. Everything isn't right. It's not supposed to be right. Falsification is in. If the cosmetic surgeries aren't so good, they simply make them perfect on Instagram with Photoshop. So easy. Stronger legs are simply lengthened and thinned. Facial rings are painted over. They are all just perfect. We look at it in fascination and think, she's already 55 and looks so great. When I compare myself in the mirror, my wrinkles, my double chin, my flabby legs, my wide hips, horrible. This absolutely dangerous influence of the deception that everything is perfect can ruin our lives. We become dissatisfied with everything, with our faces, our bodies, our lives. We compare ourselves to monsters that aren't real. All lies. All fake. I don't even want to talk about the danger this madness can pose to our children. So, a wedding in Venice is wonderful. But even more wonderful is true love with honest feelings that have nothing to do with material things. Our wrinkles are part of us, as is our imperfect figure. But health, especially of the soul, can't be bought with money. I wish you a soulful day.